Faizan is a wildlife photographer. He is from Tamil Nadu. Last week he went to Gir forest. There he lost his way. He asked Lakshmi, a girl from Gir, to help him. Lakshmi is in standard 7. She was not able to speak English properly. On the other side, Faizan was not able to understand Gujarati. Was Lakshmi able to help him? Let's see.
Hey, excuse me. Excuse? What excuse? I lost my way. I went go out from this jungle. Go out? Why come in jungle? I don't know the road. Road not in the jungle. Caddy, walk on the caddy. Okay, I will walk on the caddy. But which? What's your name? Lakshmi, my name. Lakshmi. On which caddy? Here are 3 ways. Go from there. By that, put your word. That, put your banyan tree. And then, after crossing, then walk low and you see Dupalo Dungar. What is the Wanglo? Water running. You see a Dungar, hill. Yeah. What next? Climb up that hill. There is Katar Mano Thapan. Thapan? Yes, Thapan. Temple. Climb down. From there, go to Ugamne. Ugamne. Sun comes in the sky. Sun. You means to the east. Yes, east. There's a Dadyu Talav and Aimano Nest. Talav means pond. What is this Aimano Nest? I will cub. Many cubs, so it is nest. You live in the jungle? Aren't you afraid of the lion? Savage our devta. We love Savage. Savage loves us. We live together, sometime fighting, but it is okay. Can you take me to your home? Ha. Chennai, Halyone. Ooh. Welcome. Let's go. My Bapu. Will be happy.
Next day, Lakshmi's father helped him to catch a bus for Jamnagar. Faizan thanked him and started his return journey.